So let us begin with chapter 1 of banking. What is the name of the chapter? Tomlin, can you tell me? Chapter 1, Unit 1 of banking. Yes? Your mic is not working?
Ma'am, ancillary services of bank.
Ancillary services of bank. So, Unit 1, Ancillary services of banks. Okay. So, what is this chapter all about? Yes, anybody? Ancillary services of banks. What is
Various
this?
services.
Yes.
Ma'am, various services provided by the bank.
Various services provided by the bank. Okay. We know that the banks are providing several services. So many variety of services are provided by the bank nowadays. Yeah. It is not like the traditional days. No. Now we have so many variety of services available with the bank. Why? Why is this done? Why is the bank performing?
To earn fee-based income.
Very good. To earn income, that's true. Fee-based income. Let's say it income now. Okay. Then you can find very tight competition among the banks. So why are they competing like this? It is to attract more and more customers. Yeah, they are providing variety of services to attract more and more customers and thereby to improve, to increase their income. Okay, and one of you told me this chapter is all about services provided by the bank. Okay, so what are the different services provided by the bank? Services means the functions of the bank. Correct? Services of banks, the services provided by the banks, that is same as the functions of the bank. Okay. Now tell me, what are the functions of the bank?
Provides lockers.
Provides?
Provides lockers.
Is that the main function?
Loans and deposits.
Louder? Say, it was not clear. Yes, Anila? Repeat.
Ma'am, loans and deposits.
Very good. That is the primary function. What is the primary function of the bank? Accepting deposit, lending of loans. They are the primary function, most important function, main duty of the bank. Okay. So the primary function, primary services provided by the bank is accepting deposit, lending of loans. Are we discussing that in this chapter? Is that discussed? No, we are not discussing the primary functions, primary services. In this chapter, we are learning about all the secondary services. So, ancillary services of bank means they are the secondary services of the bank. Okay? So, ancillary means what? Ancillary means subordinate functions, secondary functions, or auxiliary functions, supplementary functions. These are all different terms. Supplementary functions, subsidiary functions. All other services other than the primary services are called ancillary services of bank. Okay? Okay. So, By doing this, by undertaking the secondary services, the banks, it is possible for them to make additional income. So, how do they make the main income? How is the main income made? Yeah, I want to hear from you.
It's the difference between interest on loans and
Very
interest.
good, correct answer. So that is their main income. The income generated from the interest. The difference between the interest paid as well as the interest collected. That is their main income. Primary source of income. And whatever income is generated by doing this ancillary services, they become the secondary income. Fine. So this chapter is all about the secondary services. Is it clear? We are not learning the primary services here. Okay. So first topic, what is it? What is the first topic? Safe custody of valuables. One of you read and tell me what is safe custody of valuables? Read. I want to hear from you. Yes, what is safe custody of valuables? One of you tell me. You read the textbook. What did you understand? Nobody understood. Yes, Aparna?
Ma'am, it is a safekeeping of important documents or other
Yes.
valuables.
You can keep your valuable documents, the important documents with the bank safely. That is safe custody of valuables. Banks offer the facility of safe custody of valuables to the public. Though there is no obligation on them to accept valuables for safe custody and it is not a primary function of the bank, this facility is provided by the banks to earn a fee-based income. Is it compulsory? Is it the duty of the bank to keep this, to give this facility? No, not at all. It is not at all a mandatory function of the bank. Only if the bank feel like doing this service, only if they wish to do this, wish to give this service to the public, then only they have to undertake this. It is not at all a compulsory service to be provided by the bank. So there is no strict rules regarding this. But they do this, they provide this facility for what? To earn extra income, which is a fee-based income. So what is the income that the bank get from this? It is fee-based income. Okay? Fee-based income. Now, when the customer is keeping something under safe custody with the bank, the public, what is the relationship that exists between the bank and the customer? Is it the trustee, truster, principal agent? When the customer keeps
Bailor and
something
bailey.
under safe custody, the relationship between the bank and the customer is of bailor and bailey. Okay, so that is important. Safe custody of valuables. Relationship between them is bailor and bailey. The income that is generated is fee-based income. It is not a compulsory service. Keep all these points in the mind. Okay. Now coming to bailment. What is bailment? What is bailment? Bailment. A bailment is the delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned or otherwise disposed of according to the directions of the person delivering them. So what is bailment? It is delivery of goods. You are giving something. Some goods are delivered by one person to another. For what? For some purpose. There should be some purpose. And a contract exists between them. What is a contract? When the purpose is over, this should be returned. Whatever you have kept or given to that person, that must be returned. Or if it is directed by the person owner, it may be disposed. That is bailment. Suppose you have a shirt piece, there is a salwar material with you. You are giving this to a tailor. You are delivering the goods. You gave the clothes to the tailor. What for? To get it stitched. That is bailment. And the tailor, what should he do? After completing the stitching, he should return it back. That is bailment. You give something, a good is delivered. For what? For some purpose. You have given it to get it stitched. So after that purpose is over, the tailor should give it back. Okay. That is bailment. Now, the person who owns and delivers the goods is called a bailer. The person to whom goods are delivered is called bailee. So coming to the bank and customer, who is the bailer? Who is the bailee? Yes? The customer is keeping his or her important documents, some valuable items with the bank for safe custody. So who is the bailer? Who is the bailee?
Customer is a bailer.
Customer is the bailer. And automatically the bank becomes the bailee. Okay? Now, what may be bailed? Only movable goods can be the subject matter of bailment. You can only bail the movable goods. Only movable goods. Also note down the money, the cash, the current money, or you can say the legal tender cannot be bailed. No, the cash, the money, that cannot be bailed. Okay, only movable goods, something that can be moved from one place to the other. The cash and all is also moving. You can also move it, but cash, the money or legal tender cannot be bailed. But those coins or notes that are no longer legal tender, the cancelled notes or something like that, that is okay. But the currently using money, the legally accepted one, is not bailed. Essential features. The main feature is that there must be delivery of goods. That is the most important thing. Bailment, delivery of goods, it is important. Some movable goods. Okay. Now, this delivery, it can be actual or constructive. You can see in your textbook, essentials of bailment, goods. So the point goods, as I discussed, it is in respect of the goods, delivery of goods, movable goods. Okay. Delivery, already said, delivery of goods by one person to another. One should give it to another. What is this delivery? It includes physical delivery or constructive delivery. That is this, actual or constructive. Actual delivery means the physical delivery. Okay, actual delivery. Actually, you should take it and give it to somebody else. That is actual delivery. Next one is constructive delivery, or what is the other word? Symbolic delivery. Okay, so this delivery, it can be either actual delivery or physical delivery. You can say that is one, actual or physical delivery. Second one is constructive delivery or symbolic delivery. Now, what is this actual delivery? Actual delivery. See the example on the screen. A's watch is broken. Okay, watch is broken. When he leaves his watch at the showroom for repair, so the person has gone to a watch repairing shop, and what is he doing? He is removing the watch and giving the actual watch to the shop, to the shopkeeper, to get it repaired. Their actual delivery is taking place. That product is being delivered. Okay, the physical delivery. That original product is given there. That is actual delivery. I hope it is getting clear. The next one is constructive or physical delivery. So you can understand that actual delivery is not taking place there, where in the constructive or symbolic delivery. Suppose, I can give you an example. Suppose your car, you were driving, I mean, you were traveling in the car. Suddenly, the tire got punctured or break down. Now, what do you need to do? You need to meet a mechanic. Yes, somebody should come. Is it possible for you to move this car to the repairing shop? I mean, the car workshop? Is it possible? No. So what do? You call the mechanic. Yeah, you call the mechanic, ask him to get it repaired. And what do? You give the key. Actually, what is the product that you are giving? You are giving the responsibility. It is the car. But are you giving the car? No. Instead of that, what did you do? You gave the key. So it is not the actual thing that is delivered. I mean, it is not that which is given. Bail. You gave the key. And ask the mechanic to repair it and bring the car back to my place or whatever it is. So that is symbolic delivery. Actual delivery haven't taken place. You can see another example. A has rare coins in a locked safe deposit box. So it is in the bank. A has rare coins in a locked deposit box. Delivery of a safe deposit box is not possible. It is in the bank. Can you take that locker and come to give these coins? No. When he hands over the key of the box to be, it is off. Of the box to be, it is taken as constructive delivery. Actually, your intention is to give these coins, that locker box, but that is not possible. So instead of that, you have given the key and asked him to come, open it and take. So that is constructive delivery. Okay, that's about that essentials of bailment. Then delivery, it should be for some purpose. You should have some intention. There should be some aim. You have given the goods for some purpose, not for simply keeping it there with somebody else. No. And if the goods are delivered by mistake, you were in the classroom, you forgot to take the notebook, you kept it on the desk, your friend kept it in the bag. So, was that bailment? No, you kept it by mistake. It doesn't become bailment. But if one of your friend had borrowed your notebook, I did not finish completing the notes, can you please give your notebook? After writing, I'll give it back. Then it is for some purpose. You gave the book purposely. Okay, so by mistake, if you give something or somehow you left the goods somewhere, that doesn't become bailment. Yeah, the next one, important one. Classification of bailment. Classification. Classification of bailment. We can classify bailment on the basis of remuneration as well as on the basis of benefits. Okay? Please note it down. On the basis of remuneration and on the basis of benefits. Because these are all given in the textbook. I'm just explaining it, elaborating the points. The points are all there in the textbook. Classification of bailment. On the basis of remuneration. From that heading, you understood. Money is involved. Remuneration. Something is involved there. So, on the basis of remuneration, we can classify bailment into two. Gratuitous payment and non-gratuitous. Okay? Gratuitous bailment and non-gratuitous bailment. Gratuitous payment means no consideration is involved, no money, no consideration, no consideration, no consideration. Okay? No consideration is involved. Suppose you are in the exam hall writing the exam. Okay? You're writing the exam and your friend sitting nearby you is asking you, can you give me one pen please? My ink is over. Please lend me a pen. Okay, what you do? Definitely you'll give him a pen. Are you expecting some money from him? Are you giving it for some value? I mean, money? Are you selling it? No. This is gratuitous bailment. No consideration. No consideration means no payment is involved. And the possession of that pen, that is transferred. You have given the possession and it is for some purpose. Purpose is also involved. It is for writing the exam. Once exam is over, he will return it back. Okay? That is gratuitous bailment. So what is non-gratuitous bailment? Yes.
Something which is given for payment.
No, there is consideration involved. There is reward involved. Okay? Just the opposite of this. Gratuitous bailment, no consideration, no money, no reward is involved. Non-gratuitous means some money is involved. As I said earlier, cloth is given to the tailor for stitching. You get it stitched. The tailor will give you back. What do? You pay him. Yes, the stitching charges are given. It is not for free. Okay. And the next one, so that is gratuitous and non-gratuitous on the basis of remuneration. Now, on the basis of benefits. The first one is for the exclusive benefit of the bailer. Bailer. Benefit is received by the bailer. Who is a bailer? Who delivers the goods. Yeah. Suppose you are giving your laptop to your friend. Can you please install that games in my laptop? Or can you please install that software in my laptop also? Okay. So you're delivering the laptop. It is for some purpose. Who's getting benefited? It is you. Is there any benefit for your friend? No. So, for the exclusive benefit of the bailer. Okay, that is it. Now, exclusive benefit of the bailee. The next one who receives the good. Bailee is the one who is receiving the good. Okay. As I said, the example in the exam hall, you are giving the pen. Who is benefited there? It is your friend. Is there any benefit for you? The one who gave the pen? No. Okay. Exclusive benefit of the bailee. Now, for the mutual benefit of the bailer and bailee. That is the third one. Yes, that is a mutual benefit. Both are benefited. The stitching case example, tailor. You get your dresses stitched, tailor get the payment for it. You are giving your laptop to your friend, and if you are paying him something, then it becomes mutual benefit. Okay, so that's it about bailment. Now you can read from your textbook the duties of bailee, liabilities of bailee. I hope the topic is clear till now. Yes? So today, till now, we spoke about safe custody of valuables. The relation that exists between the bank and the customer is that of bailer and bailee. Customer is the bailer, bank is the bailee. Okay?